Hello everyone, Kyle N3ZN. I'm here with Tony from N3ZN Keys, and we're going to do a little show and tell about all the cool keys that Tony has. The first thing that I want to ask you is, how long have you been in business and how long you've been making keys?
Yeah, I've been doing this 17 years now.
Cool.
Started in 2006.
Very cool. How many keys have you built and sold? Do you know?
Over 3,000.
Over 3,000?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So give us a little insight on some of your keys here, Tony.
Well, on this table here, I have the iambic paddles.
Okay.
And the biggest thing, all different sizes, but it's what I call the odd-to-odd. So it's outside dimensions of the finger pieces. So it goes from a 5/16, so a real narrow spacing,
Yep.
all the way up to 3/4. This is 3/8, half inch.
Gotcha.
All different weights. This is for portable use.
Yeah. Oh, that's, yes.
That unscrews from the base. You can put a magnet on that.
Okay.
These two, if you're doing a base station, I would recommend either one of these two. That one comes in 3/4 odd or half inch. This is 5/8.
Gotcha. Okay.
This is about the same as a Venture BY1, which everybody has,
Yep.
and that's a popular odd.
Okay.
Half inch is also popular.
Very popular. Yep.
Over here, I have these Ron 9RZs. I have 24 different colors for these.
Okay.
This is a single lever.
It's supposed to make you a little faster.
Okay.
That's very popular. This is also single lever.
Yep. I like single lever.
That is the iambic version of the same paddle, a mini mite.
Ah, very good. Cool. Let's go over here and take a look at what you got going on over here. Thank you.
This here's a straight key. That comes in that color or black.
Okay.
This here is the cootie key, the side swiper. It's a straight key on both sides.
Ah.
It's not hooked to a key, it's hooked to oscillators. But it's a niche key. The guys used to make one hacksaw blades.
Yeah. Yes. I've
Wood.
seen those. Yes.
Wooden hacksaw blades.
Yep.
Another round one, the RZ, different color. And then we have the 45s on a 45-degree angle vertical.
I like that.
This can slide up and down on that base.
And then it's got-
Via that screw there.
Yeah.
So some operators want the finger pieces
Yeah.
close to the tabletop
Yep.
or up high.
So, Tony, if I was a new CW operator, which CW key would you start me out on?
For a base station, either one of these two.
Those two.
So this comes 5/8 only. This comes half inch and 3/4.
Very good. Cool. And you can find these keys at your website,
Right. Yeah.
N3ZNkeys.com, and there is all the info if you need a new key. These have very cool action, all made in the United States.
All made in the USA. They're all powder coated too. These are all powder coated finishes.
All powder coated. Very cool. Thank you, Tony.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.